Let me show you my setup I'm using this morning. Got a small slip bobber stop, small split shot sinker. I like to use, whether I'm using a bobber or fishing on bottom for bluegill and shellcracker, I like to use a long shank cricket hook. You can see that thing's bent. Caught so many fish on it this morning. The two reasons I like to use this, bluegill and shellcracker really like to swallow the hook. They bite so aggressively, it gives you more hook to grab a hold of and get it out. Plus, you can cover this hook with all your worms. You get too much worm hanging off your hook, they'll just eat the worm and never get on the hook. Put it on there like that. Catches him. See, he's got almost half that hook down inside of him. Nice little bluegill.